Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for Nintendo Switch owners, the RRUHHK HAC-003 high-capacity battery replacement. Specifically designed for the 2017 Switch models, HAC-003 and HAC-001. If you've been struggling with battery life on your console or just want to extend your playtime, this product might be exactly what you need. So, let's start with compatibility. This battery is only compatible with the 2017 Nintendo Switch models. So it's important to double-check your device before buying. Installing a battery that doesn't fit your console can cause serious issues. So this check is critical. Now, if your Switch is compatible, you're in for a real upgrade. This RRUHHK battery boasts 5180 mAh, which is a higher capacity than the standard Nintendo battery. That means more gaming hours, less worry about constantly recharging, and in theory, a longer lifespan for your device overall. The manufacturer claims it can handle up to 2,100 charge cycles, which is pretty impressive. And ensures your Switch stays powered up for years to come. One of the standout features is safety. The battery includes a smart IC chip with multiple protection mechanisms to prevent overcharging, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. These features not only protect your Switch but also prolong the life of the battery itself. On top of that, this battery is made from environmentally safe materials and has received CE, FCC, UL, PSE, and RoHS certifications, meaning it doesn't contain harmful substances like mercury, lead, or cadmium. Now let's talk installation. The battery comes with a repair toolkit, which is a nice touch for anyone attempting a DIY replacement. While some users find the installation process straightforward, others note it can be a bit tricky to remove the old battery. So patience and care are key here. Having a small flat head screwdriver and some gentle prying tools is usually the best approach. Once installed, your Switch will essentially feel like a brand new device, with extended battery life and reliable performance. Another big point to mention is the support from RRUHHK. They offer a 12-hour quick response time for any issues, giving you peace of mind if something goes wrong or if you need guidance during installation. This level of customer service can make a huge difference, especially when dealing with electronics. In terms of specs, the battery is lightweight at just 3.84 ounces. And the package dimensions are 7.76 by 4.02 by 0.75 inches, so it's compact enough to fit easily in your console. It's also rechargeable and fully reusable, which aligns perfectly with long-term usage and sustainability. Overall, this battery replacement is a solid choice for anyone looking to extend the life of their Nintendo Switch. Avoid the hassle of a dying battery, and keep gaming uninterrupted. If your console model matches, this upgrade is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.